Hi there. I'm Jonah Chambers, a senior educational technology specialist at the Center for the Advancement of Teaching at Temple University. Today, I want to talk to you about one of the most powerful tools in Canvas for engaging students, modules. Now, you might be thinking, modules? Aren't those just for organizing course content? While it's true that modules help with organization, they can do so much more. Beyond just storing your materials, they create a clear, intuitive learning path that helps students find their footing and gain momentum as they progress through your course. Think about it. Students, especially those new to college, often feel overwhelmed and unsure of where to start. They need structure, clarity, and a sense of direction to find their footing and gain that momentum, all of which contribute to a sense of belonging. And this is where modules truly shine. Well designed, thoughtfully designed modules can provide significant research backed benefits. Clarity and structure. Modules break down your course into manageable chunks, offering students a clear roadmap, reducing cognitive overload. Modules help students modulate their attention and focus on learning instead of figuring out how to navigate a complex course layout or sift through all the content in their course to find what they need. Active learning. By incorporating online discussions, immediate feedback quizzes, interactive exercises, and other activities between readings and lecture materials, modules encourage active engagement. This not only keeps students interested, but also promotes deeper processing of the content. Furthermore, active learning can help students feel more included and engaged in the course by fostering participation and collaboration, which contributes to a stronger sense of belonging. Community building. Incorporating discussion boards, group projects, and peer reviews throughout your modules helps students feel like valued members of a learning community. When students recognize that their contributions matter and feel connected to their peers and the course, they're more likely to stay engaged, motivated, and confident throughout their academic journey. By designing modules with care, you can create a welcoming, supportive environment where students feel connected to you, their peers, and the course material. Here are some tips for creating effective modules. Arrange your modules chronologically. Organize week by week, unit, or topic, and ensure that each module includes all required content, activities, and assignments with clear due dates. Start with a welcome module. Introduce yourself, the content, and your expectations. A well-designed welcome module not only sets the tone early, but also helps students feel like they're part of a supportive learning community right from the start. State clear learning objectives. Let students know what they'll achieve in each module. Consider adding an introductory page or even a video to outline the goals and explain how each module item contributes to the overall objectives. This can help boost confidence and help them feel assured of their place in the course by showing them a clear path to success. Employ a variety of multimedia activities. In addition to traditional readings and lecture materials, vary your content to include images, videos, discussions, reflective exercises. Having students engage with content in multiple modalities can deepen understanding. Guide progress step by step. Use requirements within a module to create scaffolded learning experiences. For example, require completion of a foundational reading before unlocking a discussion board, or have them achieve a certain score on a self-graded quiz before moving forward. This helps students build knowledge systematically and create differentiated learning opportunities. Leverage mastery paths in Canvas to provide differentiated learning experiences based on student knowledge levels or interests. This flexibility helps each student engage with material in ways that best support their learning journey. By employing these strategies, you'll help set your students up for success. Modules are a cornerstone of creating a sense of belonging in your course, but they're just one piece of the puzzle. For more strategies on fostering belonging in Canvas, check out the EdTech Exchange blog post linked in the description. To learn more or connect with the cat, visit teaching.temple.edu.